My so-called life is sponsored by How's it going? I'm Godless Sewing, and this is the Godless Sewing channel. So today, I'm going to be talking about how I found a beautiful Montgomery Ward sewing machine while thrifting. Also, for the first time in 5 years, I went to Hobby Lobby, and I went a little crazy. Also, I made a beautiful coat, and I added buttons to my trench cloak. So as always, strap on, wear a helmet, and let's go sewing.
Fight high food prices with Ward's Deluxe Upright and Chest Freezers. Now $40 off. With adjustable cold control, safety locks, and removable baskets. Only $2.98. Ward's 20-pound capacity washer with 9 automatic cycles is reduced $50. And the matching electric dryer for wrinkle-free clothes automatically is reduced $30. Save $80 on the pair. Where energy and money-saving appliances come to Montgomery Ward.
So, not all sewing machines are created equal. This Montgomery Ward clone sewing machine is actually a really amazing machine, but I can tell it's been through a fire, or it was in a storage unit where there was a fire near, because some of the parts are melted. Also, the timing is so off that I took the machine apart and I saw fire damage inside of the machine. So this definitely has been through hell and back. So instead of my usual spiel, I'm really thinking about turning this or using this as a parts machine. Some of the parts are perfect for my other singer sewing machines, and because this is a clone sewing machine, it is exact as my other singer sewing machines that are from Brazil. So I'm gonna add this to the fleet, but it's going straight to the scrapyard because there's quite a few pieces I can use on this. You know, not everything I'm gonna buy from the thrift store is gonna be a home run, but I am beyond stoked to have this machine because this one machine is gonna get like 4 or 5 sewing machines running. So, like I always say, stay creative and keep sewing. So my lights are not doing any justice for this fabric. I bought this at my local Walmart like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I haven't decided what to do with it yet. I have quite a few ideas, but this is another attempt at me adding color to my wardrobe because all I wear is black and denim. So I don't know, I have a few ideas, but I'm gonna set my patterns, start sewing, see what happens. I absolutely love how this coat came out. I completely lined it in wool so it is warm and perfect for this time of year. I found an old wool blanket that had like a hole in it, and I completely lined my coat with it and it came out perfect. I stuck to my traditional Hobbit wizard hood and I love how it came out. Okay. So I know I'm at the point of pockets, and I say this every time, but look how beautiful this is. I know, pockets, always pockets. So I'll be adding pockets. But this time I'm gonna add side pockets instead of a poncho look because this is a coat and it is warm. So, like I always say, stay creative and keep sewing.
But now whenever we're together, there's a certain feeling.
They're test-touching Touchtronic memory machines.
Incredible.
I'm Polly Bergen. Only Singer makes machines this easy to use. Touch. The memory remembers your stitch pattern instantly. Touchtronic speed control remembers to adjust your fabric thickness.
What about basting?
Touch. Great. You can forget about your sewing machine and concentrate on sewing. The Touchtronic memory machine family. Come take a test, Touch.
So there I was, minding my own business. It's been years since I've walked into Hobby Lobby and I happened to see the sign. Everything was 25 to 40% off. So I bought 4 yards of this beautiful fabric. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with it. I have quite a few ideas, but 4 yards is a lot of fabric. So let me know. So I know I constantly say that I have no room in the sewing room. Every time I buy a sewing table, I kind of regret it because I have to find a new place to put it. But when I bought this, I had something in mind. I'm going to replace a bookshelf / fabric shelf that I have in this room with this. This is a beautiful hand-painted cabinet that I found at my local thrift store. I am beyond stoked because I paid $5 for this. So for $5, this is a perfect replacement for my bookshelf / fabric shelf. Or at least that's the excuse I make. So for anyone who's interested, I made this coat using Simplicity Pattern R11 407. I just like my outfit. So, like I always say, never a boring day here in the house of sewing. My Montgomery Ward sewing machine is actually the second machine that I've purchased that had fire damage. It's not necessarily something rare here in California. If you buy something at a thrift store, it may or may not have fire damage. I absolutely love how my trench cloak is coming out, and I will be adding pockets to everything. Like I always say, reinforce your seams, be yourself, and I will definitely see you next time.
Clap your hands, everybody, if you got what it takes. Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks. Brakes on a bus, brakes on a car, brakes to make you a superstar, brakes to win and brakes to lose. But these here brakes will rock your shoes, and these are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up. Another man, that's the race, and she runs off with him too.